In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Read AI in Google Meet so you can get automatic notes, insights, and summaries from your meetings without any extra effort. First, you'll want to open read.ai in your browser. You can do this by searching for the Read AI website and heading to the main dashboard page. If this is your first time using it, you'll be prompted to sign up or log in. Go ahead and create an account using the login method you're most comfortable with, such as your work email or a single sign-on option, and then confirm any basic permissions it asks for. Once you're logged in, you should land on the main Read AI dashboard where you'll manage all of your meetings, recordings, and insights. Next, you need to connect your calendar so Read AI knows when your meetings are happening. Look for an option in the dashboard that mentions connecting a calendar or managing integrations. When you click that, you'll usually see popular calendar providers like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. Choose the calendar you actually use for your Google Meet events. Then follow the prompts to grant Read AI access. It will likely ask for permission to view your calendar events and join meetings on your behalf. This can feel like a big step, but it's necessary so the assistant can automatically attend and analyze your calls. Take a moment to review the permissions, then approve them to complete the connection. With your calendar connected, you can now join or schedule a meeting that Read AI can assist with. If you already have a Google Meet scheduled on your calendar, you don't need to do much. Read AI should recognize upcoming meetings and be ready to join them. If you want to set up a new meeting, open your calendar, create a new event, and add a Google Meet link like you normally would. Make sure the event is saved to the same calendar that you connected to Read AI. Once that's done, head back to the Read AI dashboard and you should see your upcoming meetings listed there, including the one you just scheduled. When it's time for your meeting, you'll need to allow Read AI to join. Often this looks like a virtual participant being added to your call. Depending on your settings, it may automatically join, or you might see a prompt asking you to admit the Read AI assistant into the meeting. Go ahead and allow it to join just like you would with any other guest. It's good practice to briefly let other participants know that an AI assistant is recording and analyzing the meeting, especially if you're working with clients or external partners. Once Read AI is in the meeting, you can run the call as you normally would. It will listen, take notes, track key moments, and prepare a summary in the background. After the meeting ends, you can access your meeting insights directly in Read AI, return to the dashboard, and open the meeting you just finished. Here, you'll typically see a summary of what was discussed, a list of key points or action items, and often a timeline of the conversation. Take a moment to review the insights, skim through the summary, and check that important decisions or tasks are captured correctly. You can usually share these notes with your team, copy action items into your project management tool, or simply keep them as a record for later. Over time, this will help you stay organized, remember what was discussed, and follow through on next steps without having to manually write everything down.